What are you reading? Hey, that's not polite.
Huh?
That's not polite.
No, I'm doing like a fly.
Come on, what are you reading?
I'm doing like a fly sound.
Hey,
Very funny sound.
hey, no, don't play.
Eh,
That's dirty.
Yeah, look.
What's that?
Look at this.
But what is that?
The rock is coming out of the sun.
Why?
Then the sun become too broke.
What? How cool is that? Is that a meteorite?
Yes. See, look at this fighter jet. Look at this aeroplane and the small aeroplane.
Yeah.
This is a big aeroplane and this is a small aeroplane.
Whoa,
Look,
there's a lot of aeroplane.
look at this.
Whoa,
Have two airplanes.
yeah?
Yes, see, flying for the sky.
Flying in the sky. Very big.
There, look at this.
Yeah?
Yes. Look at this.
Whoa. There's a shuttle space too.
Yes.
Where's shuttle space?
There, look at this astronaut.
Ooh. You want to be an astronaut?
No, I'm to be a fireman.
Whoa.
To help
Cool.
a lot of people.
Whoa. To help what?
To help of a lot of people.
To do what?
To,
You want to have a lot of people to do what?
I want to become a fireman. They have shield.
Whoa. To put off fire, yeah?
Yes.
To save people?
I want to control fire truck.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to control fire truck.
Okay. You want to drive it?
Daddy, look at this. It's erupting.
It's erupting. It's a
Yes.
volcano. The volcano is erupting?
Yes.
Wow.
The volcano is erupting.
Oh, that must be very hot.
Yes, and it must be dangerous.
Must be
It will
dangerous.
make you become a bone.
What?
Because it will make you become a bone.
Yeah.
Yes.
No more skin and no more flesh.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
But why?
And no more brain.
What?
Because they have a lot of fire.
Yeah?
Yes. When you put the old of the lava, then it will not take off the river.
Whoa. Lava is very hot.
Yes.
Where does the lava come from?
From down there.